Minha história é que nem uma história de um moço que se encantou nas águas do rio Calçoene, virou pau, madeira de amor. E eu fui parar no outro rio, atrás do meu grande amor, nas águas do Araguari. Meu coração se encantou. A gente morreu foi de amor, e a gente descia o rio que nos separou.
Hello, my name is Irvlin Topson. I'm going to talk a little about our journey through the Amazon River and our arrival in the municipality of Urucurituba, land of cocoa in the state of Amazon, Brazil.
Essa história de um moço que se encantou. Vou contar pra você essa glória de ser pau, madeira de amor. E a gente subia o rio, se a gente morreu foi de amor. E a gente descia o rio que nos separou.
The captain of the boat has a constant struggle to keep the boat in the strong current and swell of the waters. Navigating this vast Amazon river of muddy water, we saw a lot of natural beauty, spectacular, enchanting. The Amazon is a state that has a very rich and diversified fauna and flora, with many species of mammals, fish, as well as reptiles, mollusks, turtles, and a huge amount of insects. Very wide variety of trees of different shapes and sizes. On the other side of the river, from the dismemberment of Urucura and Silves, Urucurituba is born. Its foundation was made official in 1976, and the construction of the municipality was marked by the solidarity and companionship of a people who sought progress. The construction of the city relied on a joint effort, which at the time brought together more than 400 men. Urucurituba is a Brazilian municipality in the interior of the state of Amazon, in the northern region of the country. It occupies an area of 2,906,677 square kilometers, with its population estimated by the Brazilian Institute of Geography and Statistics, IBGE, at 24,098 inhabitants, 2021. It is the 34th most populous municipality in the state. Arriving at the port of Urucurituba, we saw that the river level is rising. The streets of the port in the lower part are already flooded, and they have already started to make a wooden bridge to be able to travel.
Minha história é que nem uma história de um moço que se encantou nas águas do rio Calçoene, virou pau, madeira de amor. E eu fui parar no outro rio, atrás do meu grande amor, nas águas do Araguari, meu coração se encantou.
Passing here by the waterway terminal of the municipality of Urucurituba, the water level continues to rise. This is the lowest part of the city. Here they have already started to build bridges to be able to access the localities. Here in the municipal marked Pedro Morales. The movimento only remains tense with the arrival of visitors to the cackle party that attracts thousands of visitors.
Pra você essa glória de ser pau, madeira de amor. E a gente subia ao rio. Se a gente morreu foi de amor. E a gente descia ao rio, o rio que nos separou.
Navigation distance between ports in Brazil. Port of origin, Urucurituba, AM. Port of destination, Itacoaxira, AM. Distance, 109 kilometers or 59 nautical miles. Travel time to travel the 109 km between these ports.
Se encantou. Vou contar pra você essa glória de ser pau, madeira de amor. E a gente subia o rio.
Manaus and Urucurituba are separated by a distance of about 252.2 kilometers in a straight line. See also the distance and route between Manaus and Urucurituba. The continuation of this tour through the city of Urucurituba you will see in the other chapter in advance.